Hello, everybody. Mr. Frog here. Hello. How are you all? I've been away for quite a long time. I have been to Brazil, topping up my suntan and sorting out all my warts on my face. I've decided to come back now because it is time to see my little frogettes. And it's Christmas time, as you probably know, very, very soon. So I'm going to see all my little frogettes in the pool. I'm going to go down to Hove Lagoon. Hove Lagoon apparently has lots and lots of frogettes. And there is a little nightclub there that we boogie around at night time when the music's on. So I will tell you in a few days' time what happens when I go and see my frogettes. Bye for now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Rabbit, 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 rabbit.